Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom and the ability to work from anywhere in the world? If so, then it's time for you to unleash your inner affiliate marketer and tap into a lucrative online business opportunity. In this article, I will reveal the secrets behind my $X earnings in just 30 days, giving you a step-by-step guide on how to achieve similar results. What is affiliate marketing? Before we delve into the secrets of successful affiliate marketing, let's first understand what it entails. Simply put, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. As an affiliate marketer, your job is to drive traffic to these offers through various channels such as websites, blogs, social media platforms, or email campaigns. Why choose affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing offers numerous advantages that make it an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. Firstly, there are no inventory costs or product development expenses involved. You don't need to worry about manufacturing or shipping products. Instead, you focus solely on promotion and earning commissions. Secondly, affiliate marketing allows for flexibility in terms of working hours and location independence. Whether you prefer working from home or while traveling around the world, all you need is an internet connection. Lastly, but most importantly, earning potential. The sky's the limit when it comes to income generation through affiliate marketing. With dedication and strategic implementation of proven techniques, which we'll discuss shortly, there is no reason why you can't achieve substantial earnings within a short period. The secrets unveiled. Now that we've established why affiliate marketing could be your ticket to financial freedom, let's dive into the secrets behind my impressive $X earnings within just 30 days. Niche selection. Choosing a profitable niche is crucial for your success as an affiliate marketer. Identify a niche that you are passionate about and has a high demand in the market. Research popular products or services within that niche, ensuring they have good commission rates. Building your online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is essential to attract potential customers. Create an engaging website or blog with valuable content related to your chosen niche. Optimize it for search engines using relevant keywords, enabling organic traffic to flow in. Content creation. Content is king. Produce high-quality, informative content that resonates with your target audience. This could include blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media updates. The goal is to provide value and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Promote relevant products. Choose affiliate products or services that align with your audience's needs and interests. Recommending products you genuinely believe in will build trust and increase the likelihood of conversions. Email marketing. Build an email list by offering freebies or exclusive content in exchange for email addresses. Utilize this list to nurture relationships with subscribers through regular newsletters containing valuable information and product recommendations. Social media engagement. Leverage the power of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to connect with potential customers directly. Engage actively by sharing relevant content regularly and interacting with followers' comments or queries. Paid advertising campaigns. Once you've established a solid foundation through organic methods mentioned above, consider investing in paid advertising campaigns such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads to accelerate growth further. Conclusion. Unleashing your inner affiliate marketer can be a life-changing decision, one that offers financial freedom and flexibility beyond imagination. By following the secrets I've shared above, from selecting the right niche to building an online presence through quality content creation, you'll be well on your way towards achieving $X earnings within just 30 days. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. Embrace the journey, stay focused on your goals, and watch as your earnings soar. So what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your inner affiliate marketer and embark on an exciting new chapter of financial abundance.